Hi, Donna Guest here, Creative Memories Advisor and Lazy Scrapbooker. Just a quick video here to show you one of my favorite tools, the Creative Memories Circle Punch. I love the circle punches because they give you an amazing result for very minimal effort.
When Creative Memories offers a new circle punch, it's best to snap it up because they don't stay around long. My collection includes Ornate Arches, which was an advisor exclusive, the Floral Circle Punch, and the most recent Dotted Leaf Circle Punch.
To use a Creative Memories Circle Punch, you always need to start with a piece of paper that is 6 inches wide by 6 inches tall. So let's cut a square. I'm going to use this piece of yellow paper using my Creative Memories 12-inch trimmer with the ruler. And I'm going to cut at the 6-inch mark, and I'm going to cut down to 6 inches and stop there. That will save paper so I won't have a cut going all the way across. And then I'm going to do that again. If you don't know how to do that, be sure to check out my trimmer video that I'm putting up in the top right-hand corner to learn all the features of your Creative Memories 12-inch trimmer. There, we've got a perfect 6-inch square. Set that aside. Okay, now comes the fun part. Once you have a 6-inch square, you're going to insert it into the circle punch and put it right back into the corner, right back there. And press down. Now let me show you what you have. You have one corner punched. So now what we're going to do is rotate it 90 degrees, one turn, and press it all the way back into that corner again and punch. And now let's do it 2 more times. Now the next step, once you've done those 4 punches, is to take your piece of paper and you need to flip it. You're going to flip it over just like you're flipping a burger on the grill. And now you're going to punch the 4 corners again because now you have 4 new corners to punch. And if you need to, just kind of empty it out because it's got some trimmings in there. We've got 2 more corners to do. Perfect. These creations make great maps for photos that you've cut in a circle, or they make wonderful journaling boxes. Or I like to cut them in half and make them into an embellishment. Just going to cut it right down the center. And now I've got 2 pieces to use as an embellishment.
Once you've cut them in half, add on opposite sides of the page for a great look. As you can see, I have a total of 4 showing on this 2-page spread. I love them, almost as much as this little cat, almost. They add a ton to your page with little paper and little work. Check out my video in the top right corner for how you can create this cool embellishment using the Dotted Leaf Circle Punch.
Thanks for watching, and thanks so much to my subscribers. Be sure to hit like or subscribe so you'll see all future videos. Happy scrapbooking!